Pressure test protocol after repairing a gas line leak. Follow these exact steps to guarantee a valid, safe, retest, and an inspector-approved result. After repairing the leak, first remove all test pressure slowly to ambient so fittings seat correctly and any trapped air can escape. Then, visually and physically inspect the repair area for correct gasket orientation, thread engagement, and pipe support to eliminate stress points that cause hairline leaks. Next, clean joint surfaces and apply the specified pipe dope or thread sealant to the manufacturer's torque specification. Do not guess torque. Use a calibrated torque wrench and note the value for your record. Reassemble the section using new compression rings or joint tape where applicable, and replace any suspect components such as flare fittings or soft copper sections. Never reuse deformed fittings. Before reinstalling the gauge, hand test the gauge fitting with a short-capped nipple and soapy solution to confirm it seals. Leak check the gauge port itself. Reinstall the gauge using the correct adapter and thread sealant rated for natural gas and liquefied petroleum propane service. Then pressurize the isolated test section slowly to 6 pounds per square inch and allow the system to stabilize for at least 10 minutes to let temperature equalize and any mattressing effects settle. Monitor the pressure at fixed intervals. Record initial, 5-minute, and 10-minute readings. And if you observe any pressure drop greater than the accepted threshold for your jurisdiction, stop and repeat the leak location procedure. Small drops under the threshold can be due to temperature change but must be corroborated with a soap test at suspect joints. Finally, perform a full soap bubble or electronic leak check across the repaired area and adjacent fittings while holding test pressure. Document results with timestamp notes and photos, and only call for inspection after 0 detectable leaks and stable pressure readings. One of the most common mistakes is inadequate torque and improper sealing on reassembled joints, which leads to persistent leak detection. Fix by using a calibrated torque wrench, replacing soft seats, and applying the correct gas-rated sealant. Another frequent issue is failing to stabilize temperature, which causes false pressure drops. Fix by allowing a minimum 10-minute equilibration and recording multiple readings. The third error is not verifying gauge and test port integrity, which can mimic system leaks. Fix by bench testing or isolating the gauge, using new test fittings, and performing a soap test at the test port before pressurizing. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local gas contractors and inspection-ready plumbers who follow industry-standard pressure testing procedures, making it easier to find qualified professionals for leak repairs and certified retests. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with homeowners seeking skilled gas line services and verified inspection support.